Hello, collective. Let me see your situation, okay? So we could know if this one is resonated to you. Tarot angels, please help me. Please help us and my collective to connect with their guides. What is their situation? Thank you so much. Okay. You might be connected to my Tagalog reading, and you are I'm happy for you. You are now single or you are free into something that been tie you up before. Okay, I can't I can explain. You've been feeling prisoner before, and you are now free or you are now single. This is not just about that you break up with someone. Maybe you break the cycle of your family, and that's the energy that I'm getting. Okay, and because of that, you are ready to meet someone, and you're planning to do that, and you are so competent because Archangel Michael is have a protecting you and the person that you feel your divine feminine, the gender doesn't matter for this intervention. Archangel Michael know that you are ready to explode too, okay? So I think you're about to confess something or plan with someone. That's your overall energy. Okay, collective? Thank you so much. Let's see what will gonna happen in this weekend for you. It doesn't matter if you're going to see this video via Monday. You can this is timeless reading. You can just adjust the date. Okay, thank you so much, Alright, angels. Please what's gonna happen to my collective this weekend? I'm so sorry. I know I'm still working on my English. Thank you so much. Please give me one last card for my collective. Okay. In this weekend, my dear collective, you are the Emperor is kinda egotistic, but this one, I think you're ready to control and fight for what you believe in and what you really love. Because I think before, no matter how hard you try to want to start with the person that you love, there's always a conflict between other energies around both of you, because these people are fighting over something, but that's not include you or your divine feminine in this feature. Okay, so this weekend you're taking control, but you are in a balanced mode and ready to confess something about love. But I think you will start as a friendly, you will approach as a friendly, you will approach friendly at first, so you can have a new start with this person. Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra might be might be resonate to you, and you will approach this person with the new ideas, and you will make the divine feminine see your ability, and you will release the truth, so you can have your own victory, okay? And I think no matter what people will try to do to you or to your divine feminine, you will take control of that. I think you're strategizing because I'm thinking before I speak. Unlike in my Tagalog reading, I keep on going and going. But I like how, I like the way you think because you gain clarity. There's still a conflict around you, but you don't care about that because you are ready to control everything. You are ready to protect this new beginning, this new honest beginning that you want to create with your divine feminine. You want to harvest all your fruits of labor. You are in healing progress and you want to move on with the energy that you don't think that serves you. And you already have the Judgment, Scorpion, might be resonate, and Leo. And you have the strength to do that. Thank you so much, Tarot Angels. Please give me an advice. Please tell me what is the advice of their guides for my collective. I'm so proud of you. All the people that breaking the chains, tradition, and people might be see you as a black sheep. Let me tell you that I'm so proud of you. Alright, and guess what is their guide? Spirit guides want them to know for my collective, please. Okay. Thank you so much. Please give me another one last card for my collective. Okay. There's a spirit around you, which is a feminine, who is gentle to you. It may be your mother, or this person is, you treat them like your mother, or they nurture you. And they want you to know that stop the endless searching. Follow your inner quest. It means that stop overthinking. Follow your intuition. You have to love yourself. You have to plant for yourself. Slow down. And water your own self or your own plant. Put a lot of love to yourself. That's what your guide's telling you, okay? It's kind of feel personal, but yeah, collective. Love yourself first. You already know what you want. The blueprint is within you. Take the next step, okay?